Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheets tutorial how to enter date. So you can enter date by manually, like you can type 12 slash 21 slash 2024. Or the other you can type 12 minus 21 minus 2024. And if you want to automatically insert today date, you can type control plus semicolon like this. So if you type control plus semicolon, it will be automatically set for the today date. To change the format, you can go to format in here and then click on numbers and you can set for date or times by using custom date or times. Like I will use this option, then click apply and it will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheets tutorial, how to enter that. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.